Hi, my name is Nora Maung, and this is my 2023 Youth Innovation Challenge pitch. I grew up in Southern California, United States, a coastal area that was once teeming with biodiversity. Emphasis on the once teeming. And growing up in this community, I was not a stranger to the ocean by any means. I was always fascinated by it, the beauty of it. Unfortunately, I have to stand in front of you today to talk about a pressing global issue, the death of our coral reef ecosystems. They're in charge of a quarter of our marine biodiversity. A quarter, that's a huge amount. And unfortunately, we as humans have threatened this vital ecosystem. And I think at the heart of this endeavor lies the critical role of maintaining symbiotic relationships between coastal reefs and fish communities. But there's a catch. Degraded reefs emit less attractive acoustic cues, dissuading settlement stage fish from making their homes there. They simply don't want to live in an area that doesn't sound like home. Luckily, there's been a lot of studies, in particular one by the University of Exeter in Australia, that found that once they emitted healthy-sounding reef noises in degrading reef communities, that they found there was a huge, remarkable transformation with enhanced fish community and a staggering 50% of greater species richness in those areas. Now, I want to take this information and combine it with Whale Acoustic Deterrent Systems. These devices use underwater speakers to emit sounds of natural predators or threats of whales, effectively deterring them from fishing boats. But I want to repurpose these technology and use it to revive our coral reefs. I want to use it to mimic the sounds of healthy coral reefs. Therefore, we can create a symphony of life underwater. But my mission doesn't just stop there. I want to spread this knowledge, raise awareness about this issue. And so through immersive webinars on coral reef conservation and the role of acoustic systems, I aim to enlighten communities worldwide about this entire topic. From informative articles to infographics to interactive tools, I want to make these freely accessible to anyone so that educators can seek to integrate these marine conservation ideas into their school curriculum to teach these inquisitive young minds into learning for more. But I don't want to stop there. I want to create educational programs that will be inclusive and open to people of all backgrounds. I firmly believe that by equipping educators with tailored curriculum materials, we empower them to create alternative and enlightening lessons about the issues shaping our world today. So join me in this audacious journey to revive our coral reefs. Thank you.